customize the look of your SmartSize Fit quiz, head to the Settings tab inside the app. Then click Open Theme Editor to launch the Shopify theme editor. Sit tight. You'll now see a live preview of your store along with your SmartSize button on the product page. Click directly on the Find My Size button to start editing its design. In the left panel, you'll find all your customization options. You can change the button label, for example, "What is my size?" You can pick a different icon and adjust the text and background colors to match your brand. Need to reposition the button? Just choose how it should align on desktop and mobile, left, center, or right. Scroll further down to update your pop-up settings. Here, you can select an accent color for the quiz so that it better matches your brand. And if you want to help customers with sizing questions, toggle on the support link. Then, edit the message and add your support email or a contact page URL. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right corner. That's it. Your SmartSize button should be styled to match your store perfectly. If you nevertheless want a more advanced styling, you can achieve this by modifying our CSS classes. You will find more information in our Help Center by searching for CSS classes. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at team@smartsize.io.